Well, today we have a unboxing video today on something that I picked up. I'm always on the road and I always just have to stop somewhere and get something to eat. Well, I got something that would help me out on my adventures. And I saw this and I'm thinking, I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys on this over here. Just something y'all might want to think about, okay? Here, I'll show it to you guys now. This is a tea kettle to get hot water. Hot water? Yeah. Let me open it up for you guys, and that way y'all can see what I'm talking about and the purpose of it. sometimes it's nice just to have a good hot cup of Roman noodle. So let's see what happens here in a minute. Okay guys, stay with me. And you can see the steam actually starting to build up on it. And it's done. So the applications of having hot water on demand, it's just very, very intriguing and very, very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this. As always, life is a gamble, but it is what you do with it, right? So you guys be blessed, you guys stay safe, and remember, love all you guys, and a big yee-haw! All right, talk to y'all later. Y'all be good.